Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I will show you how to check Snapchat inbox. So from here you will just have to open the Snapchat app on this iOS device. So right over here you will just go in the message box. So when it's open, so this is the inbox of Snapchat where you can talk about with your friends. So this is the all chat history. You will see this account was old, so this is how you will find. So hope this video help you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.